Hey, how are you?
Good yourself?
Yeah,
You here for the night?
yeah, for tonight, yeah.
All
For
right.
tomorrow is my yeah,
Ready to stay? Alright, so it's gonna be
yeah,
40 to stay,
yeah.
$40 to stay, and then I'll have you
Okay.
sign a
Yeah.
register.
How's the weather?
It's been raining.
It's been
Yeah,
raining.
this is the driest it's been.
Man, yeah, I was coming on my way here. It was like pouring.
Yeah.
So where I can set up my
We're anywhere back in here.
there is nothing now in there to the end.
I don't know that. I seriously don't know. You might have to head up that way and check.
And
But
check, and I
yeah.
can come back if nothing there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, I'll hand you this. And you can
Yeah.
start signing on with that.
Okay.
So name, signature, and then if
Yeah.
you're just writing, and then
Yeah.
I'm gonna just pop the back real quick.
Okay. What should I say? Duties.
Writer.
Right there.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry about it.
No, that's alright. Thank you, thank you.
Alright, so
So yeah, you can go up there, check and see if there's a spot.
yeah.
But if not, I'd come
If
back
not,
down and go up through
down
here.
there? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you. Have fun.
Yeah, thanks.
You have arrived.
Los vecinos están pendientes de todo lo que hacemos.